Okay, so let me ask you something. How many times have you searched how to learn AI and just closed the tab after 5 minutes because you got completely overwhelmed? I did it too. There are thousands of courses out there. Everyone has an opinion. Half the advice is outdated and the other half assumes you already have a computer science degree. So today we are doing something different. I'm not just dumping a list of links on you. I'm actually going to walk you through the exact roadmap, step by step, the way I wish someone had explained it to me when I was starting out. And everything I'm about to tell you completely free. First, let me give you a bit of context because I think a lot of people learn AI for the wrong reason. They see a trending video, they panic, they sign up for some random course, and 3 weeks later, they have forgotten everything. Here is the honest truth. AI-related job postings have increased 300% since 2020. Professionals with AI skills are earning 25 to 50% more than their peers. These skills are valuable across every field. It doesn't matter if you are into content creation, engineering, or business, or healthcare. AI touches all of it. But here is what nobody tells you. You don't need to become an AI engineer to benefit from this. Most people watching this video just need to know how to use AI well. That is way more achievable than you think. Roadmap I'm sharing is built around that. Not becoming a researcher at Google, just becoming genuinely good with AI, particularly useful in a way that actually changes your day-to-day life. Okay, phase 1, and I know you want to skip this, but don't do that. Before you touch any tool, before you open ChatGPT or watch any tutorial, you need to understand what AI actually is at a basic level. Not the technical stuff, just the concept. The best resource for this, and I mean genuinely the best, is called Elements of AI. It's a free course made by the University of Helsinki. No complicated math, no programming required. It is for everyone interested in learning what AI is, what is possible with it, and how it affects our life. WordPress, over 2 million people have taken it. It takes just a weekend. But why does this matter? Because when you understand the why behind AI, everything else you learn sticks. You are not just memorizing steps, you actually understand what's happening. I made the same mistake of skipping this phase. I jumped straight into trying tools and tutorials. I felt lost every single time because I didn't have the foundation. Don't repeat my mistake. Do Elements of AI first. It is free. Do it over a weekend and you are done. Okay, phase 2, and this is where things get really fun. Once you got the basics down, it is time to get your hands dirty. And for this, I would recommend 2 things running in parallel. First, Google AI Essential on Coursera. It is built by Google experts and teaches you to use AI effectively at work, from writing prompts to applying AI across real work scenarios from day 1. You can audit it for free. Second, and this is the one nobody talks about now, just use AI every single day, like for everything. Your assignments, your emails, brainstorming, research, planning your week. Many of these free courses can be completed in a weekend, but developing actual practical AI skills takes 20 to 40 hours of real uses and practice. You cannot watch your way to being good at AI, you have to use it. That is the only way. Open ChatGPT, open Claude, open Gemini, put them side by side. Ask them the same question. See how they respond differently. Build an opinion, because that hand-on curiosity, that is what actually makes you good at this. Okay, phase 3 is where most people don't even get to, because they get stuck in phase 2 forever, just planning around without direction. This is where you ask yourself, what do I actually want to do with AI? Because the answer to that question determines your next step completely. If you want to use AI for your career or daily life, go check out OpenAI Academy. They are rolling out free certificates covering everything from prompt engineering to AI-enabled work. This is seriously underrated right now. If you want to build actual products with AI, go to fast.ai. It is free, beginner friendly, and you are building real working projects from day 1. Honestly, one of the best resources on the internet. And if you want a certificate that looks good on LinkedIn or your resume, every single course I have mentioned so far offer a free certificate on completion, either directly or through financial aid. No mandatory payment required. The point is, phase 3 is about direction. Stop being a generalist. Pick one lane, go deep into it. Now let me tell you the mistake. I see almost everyone make, and I made it too. They collect courses, they have 12 half-finished certificates sitting on Coursera. They have watched 40 hours of YouTube tutorials, and they still don't feel like they know anything. Here's the uncomfortable truth. That is not a learning problem. That's a doing problem. The people I know who are genuinely good at AI are not the ones with the most courses. They are the ones who picked a problem, their own problem, and used AI to solve it. and then did it again and again. So my actual advice, after phase 1, build something, even if it's stupid, even if it's small. Use AI to write your resume, use it to plan your study schedule, use it to summarize a textbook chapter. Make it real. That is the thing that makes it stick. Look, I'm still learning too. Every week there's something new in AI, some new model, some new tool, some new thing people are hyping up. That is never going to stop. But the people who are going to be fine, the people who wouldn't get left behind, are the ones who build real foundation, stay curious, and actually use the tools instead of just watching other people use them. That is the roadmap. Elements of AI to start. Google AI Essential and daily users next. Then pick your direction and go deeper into that. I will link everything in the description for free, no catches. See you in the next one.